Hello Odoers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to display hover effect to your website. So let's see about that, how it works. You can see here a module, their website hover effect snippet. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to website. On top right corner display here edit button. Now click on and provided here snippets or effect under this block section. Now select this hover effect and under this hover effect category available for display. Now select and add on your website. When you hover over any, then display here effect. See here output. If you want to change, then easily select here and easily change here text color, content, background color and also change here image. Make a select this text and see here your changes. Let's save. Again click on edit button and also provided here different snippets are block. You can easily just drag and drop here and add here and then cover on a block, then display here effect. Now I want to add frame zoom and see here effect. So provided here 32 plus effective for interactive different snippets. So using these different snippets, you can create your customization website very faster without any coding and also make your website very effective and interactive. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.